ain't got a whole lot. And I know the whole world got some problems, and I ain't got the keys to solve them, but I'm just trying to make a way. Yeah, they been killing niggas senseless, ain't got the sense to come and help us. They had the body killer witness, but I know that it's gonna be better days. No, I ain't got a whole lot. And I know the whole world got some problems, and I ain't got the keys to solve them, but I'm just trying to make a way. Yeah, they been killing niggas senseless, ain't got the sense to come and help us. They had the body killer witness, but I know that it's gonna be better days. Yeah, I know that it's gonna be better days, so I drop down to my knees and pray that God can help me make a way, cause I've been really going through. Work 9 to 5 and 5 to 9, just so I can add a couple dimes that I'm gonna use for up your 5. I'll blow a check up in the day. See, I've been stressed and depressed, couldn't enjoy adolescence. Use my words as expressions of lyrical weapons.
Jeez, why is that there? Oh man. It has been. What the hell is going on over there? This fake ass car show? Anyway, it has been a very, very long day. We are finally back in the loop. We left way later than planned, but I think my sister finally enjoyed party. Finally became a party. Yeah. You know, we got chicken. Shout out to Babos. Shout out to Jackie for letting us still chicken. DJ, of course, driving, because as always, she got a guest back there on the slump cam. She thought it was smooth. She thought it was safe. Oh, no, gotta. So, we out here though. But we on our way to the hotel. Y'all know what it is. It's late as fuck. Everybody needs to sleep. I probably won't, because I'm not even sleepy anymore. I took a 30-minute nap and meditated and dreamt about being in the water party. You don't ask me why. But yeah, it was cool. Is it minutes tomorrow? I mean, some spaghetti. We'll call it a night. Probably show y'all the room, maybe. I don't know, it depends. Oh man, let me tell y'all about this BAN crap from the hotel. How they want to call them to BS. They're gonna tell us last minute they cancel our reservation. I think it's because they knew where this comes from. They said, oh no, the DD's walking in the door. Up Auto Avenue, so we gotta make sure we pay attention to our surroundings. Gonna hit y'all back in the middle. Y'all. Yeah, it is at the Hilton technically. I'm about to make my own drink in a second. Alright, now it's look, that's that fake monkey right now. I'm letting you know, that's why I'm calling you. I'm moving on to that after I get off the phone with you. If he at home, what is the rush? I mean, I'm trying to figure out why you keep telling me. Oh my gosh. I am touching history right now. Look at yes. If you say you're not gonna touch it. That is crazy. That is why I want to go in it, cause like how do you? Cause the view, how did they do that? Yeah, I want to know too. I'm thinking the way. By the way, guys. Hey. Take a CD. You can't really a CD. She's got 2 phones. Thank you. I appreciate that. You're welcome. I was actually the one that gave it to you, not her. Now you're kidding. I appreciate all you guys. You guys have a good one, God bless you. And it's got Joanne F. Johnson on there too. Oh yeah? Yeah. She's a famous gospel singer here in St. Louis. Okay. Yeah. Definitely gonna check you guys out on the way home. We have to pay her money though. Oh. Chicago. Bro, no, walk down there. Walk where I just walked. The air there is like. Sound like copyright to me? What's good with the Dirty Shoe Gang? Dirty Shoe Gang, it is me on the Dirty Shoe Gang. Fuck, I had no coming at you again. Finally made it down here. I told y'all I probably was not gonna end up showing y'all that room because
It's too much BS with it. And guess what? Niggas was tired. So that being said, though, the event already started. Of course, we're not on time because if we go right away, ain't no cars up there. Nothing I'm want to see, and we not staying the entire time. I left L'Oreal and BJ and took his phone. I'm on the phone with Leah again. Boom. She had. Oh, she's smart now. Said not today, America. You ain't gonna say hey to America today? Y'all get that, that's all y'all get is the hand. So yeah, man. Look, y'all. If y'all in the area, I definitely hope to see y'all there. Last time y'all definitely went up. It was crazy, man. Big shout out to everybody who's been liking, commenting, supporting, sharing the videos and whatnot. Y'all ain't gotta do this shit. Everybody gotta sit here and take the time out their day to watch me do whatever the fuck it is I'm doing that day. So, you know, I said the love is definitely appreciated. Hope to see y'all down there. I know some shit busting at Tinley Park right now, which is crazy because nobody tell us till we got down here. There was a big ass show in Tinley Park. You know, Swerve over there. I think CJ stopping by there. He was supposed to be coming out here, started to reach down here somewhere. So, there's a whole lot of crazy stuff happening per usual. But we about to slide to the car wash, get the whip right, slide to the event, get a grip right. And just like a blimp, you know what we doing it? We going up. Up as fuck. You know what it is. Tyler mini game during this day. Versus downtown St. Louis, just cause. Like this right here is beautiful. This view, being able to be this close and just seeing how they downtown culture actually is. But yeah, we gotta do that the next time we come out here. I don't know about Chicago. I do it. He is. He's actually. He's. Same hero, new boots. And he like, okay, what time I get off? Look at DJ Betty the horse. Wow. They used to this. I mean, I would be mad at dad in St. Louis, but I wouldn't be upset if I dad at a historical place. A who? A person? Where? Oh, standing there? Yeah.
That's the Christian flag.
Yeah, he's a crusader, like Nation of Islam or something. Everybody done pulled some doggone gas station across the street. It's usually and they treat it like a baseball game. They'll push it back till they can't no more. And I kind of gang. So check it out. Look, we finally get down here, y'all. We get down here. We did a little exploring. What we normally, honestly, I'm gonna make that known right now, would have done. We would have done that anyway, because nobody goes to car shows early, but we did have a feeling we should get going, and now guess what, y'all? It's raining like an MF word. They have now officially told everybody to pretty much evacuate. DJ is slumped. He wasn't too happy. Lori back there snacking. You know what it is. We are at Pilot across the street, and it's lit. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's looking a little lit. I think we being noticed right now too. But like, you know. Yeah. But I don't know. I'm still feeling pretty positive. I'm still feeling pretty cool about the day. Everything happened for a reason. For whatever reason, it seemed like everybody pulling up the gas station on some get lit crap. People out here with their cameras and whatnot. I thought you were supposed to bring a camera in the rain. So you know what this means, though. I'm about to head back to Chicago pretty soon. I wonder did they get rained up? My mama said that it was starting to rain out there. So I wonder did the car show out there get rained up? Seems like the rain just came out of nowhere to F up everybody's day. Not gonna lie to you. But you know, grind definitely don't stop. We gonna go up regardless. I ain't letting no rain stop me. I shower all the time. I ain't scared of no water. I'm a water sign. I'm a Cancer. I'm gonna be scared of water for. So we gonna let your boy sleep for 30 minutes. God, he keep getting my shot. We gonna let your boy sleep for about 30 minutes. It's already there. We gonna let him sleep to about
6 o'clock. It's 5:37. Might as well. If it was 5:30, I would have said 5:45. It is what it is, y'all. See y'all on the open now. BJ woke up. It's a car show.
Car show, them motherfucking.
They moved. So what we doing, BJ?
I'm about to get this footage. Fuck you talking.
Thank you. I told you he'd feel better after a nap. Can't nobody tell me I don't know my brother. He can't stand me, but I mean I don't really give 2 F's. But well, anyway.
I know y'all cuss each other out in my face, and I'm slapping the shit out of both of you.
No, I'm sorry. First of all, that is nothing. That was not us cussing each other out. People be so sensitive the way we talk to each other because that was not us cussing each other out. We done said way worse to each other.
I told you, I said, these motherfuckers gonna sit in my face and cuss.
We wasn't cussing each other out. We was just over it, and we knew we had stuff to do. Just like I told him, I'm like, we couldn't leave and get stuff done because of all the bull crap y'all had going on yesterday. And it could have been really simple if it wasn't there. But instead, nobody listens to nobody. So we had to deal with that crap. Then our stuff getting pushed back. Then they canceled the room. Then we got to find a room. Then we get to the room. BJ had to cuss out the lady at the door, at the desk. I mean, you understand. Tensions is already high. And that is not us cussing each other out. BJ, tell her that's not us cussing each other out. That was nothing. See, he don't even listen. So safe. I just told y'all on the camera we wasn't safe. I'm like, we just been recognized. And what I tell you, Lori, I'm like, niggas was looking. Dude that was right here wanted to say something. I was shook my head. No, you see he sleep. Don't come over here. It's raining. You sleep. Lady in here was like, I know everybody across the street pissed. I said, you darn right. We just came from Chicago for no reason. Oh, God. I'm sorry. Yeah? Yeah. Came to the window. BJ Anderson, I'm tired of you looking at you niggas. Excuse me?
If y'all get out the car and you walk up to the store, it's full of y'all, and y'all see the lights off.
Alright, y'all, like I told y'all, it's big busing over across the street. It's a whole lot of copyright out here, I ain't gonna lie. So either the concert gonna be there or it's gonna be right here. But we about to make it happen regardless, y'all. We're gonna make space, we're gonna make it happen. So I'm gonna definitely try to run through, get y'all some content. Might be a lot of B-roll, might not be a lot of B-roll, but might not be a lot of dialogue, because you know how it is when the copyright is out. But y'all, definitely finna like get some footage, and we finna get this busting. Be back in a second.
OT.
I'd rather be up in my bag than in somebody business. The difference is y'all rather stay broken online and get feelings. Shoulder shrug, I do not care about like it. This is my year, you don't believe me, but forgot me with witness. Yeah, flex like a gymnast. I am so hot for us is what I am equivalent to bacon. They keep popping the skillers. I learned to crap and I flipped it. Hop on the bleed and I rip it. Kill it in this mix. I don't miss shoot with precision. You think you scoring like Jordan? Thought I was gonna say Pippen. See, that's the problem. This too easy. Fuck is my competition. That's your bitch. She acting horrid. Be the pipe in the story. Told you once before.
Copyright.
Y'all
be on the blow up and shit.
I ain't worried about a nigga with some rat off another nigga. I'm a win in the engine stat sheet. More purse than 12 on the tote. Fuck a little independent on the police. So my ancestors now they trying to change me. Born this way, please don't blame me. Took a last name, still can't change me. Leave us dead and still don't face me. Had to go on the rise. IP Nipsey. Energy on God. Bitch, I'm an deity. TT. That's a cold. This one to the dust.
This shit that we supposed to be going to, that shit was like, they usually have hella people out there. Like, the shit's so big. That's why, I mean, you can see a small percentage of it. Usually by this time is when everybody would start pulling up. So, it is a little messed up that we ain't getting the actual experience, but I'm not that mad. Alright, niggas dragging their cars everywhere. Look at the cars. Just leaving the car show. Oh, man, y'all. Maybe next time. I see. Okay, right here. That's a 2021 Hellcat SRT. SRT Hellcat Durango. This is limited edition, so not everybody can get
Well, one, when you see this on here, that's how you know. Yeah, when you see that, that's how it's going to be either be a red eye, demon, or a Hellcat. Meaning it got the scat pack on though. Sports performance, okay? So basically, like putting a race car on the street. This get up on here, only thing that's mentioned this get up like this as fast as on this car will be the track hog, and that's a Jeep. It's like a charged up Cherokee. So them motherfuckers being them go off. That's why he's able to pull his car on and shit.
Oh, I like that one.
See, I wish it was dry though, so you could have really seen all of them sitting in a line. You see exactly how it goes. We just gonna keep on running at him. Richie gang. Yeah. So yeah, not officially the car show. Just like a little sample of what it is. And she actually said she liked it. So that's cool, bro. I really like this one right here, bro. I'm gonna do whatever
What is he saying to me, bro? Like, for real, bro. Like, no, real talk, bro. Give him back the phone, bro. Let me talk to him man to man. Since he think he a man, let me talk to him. Bro, no, bro. Please let me talk. Please let me talk to him, bro. Please let me talk to him. Like, don't protect him now. Don't protect him now since you want to talk, bro. And I'm telling you right now, you heard me, bro. You know where I'm at, homie. Come see me, dog. Ain't nobody worried about you, nigga. What you mean?
It's Shadow. Yeah.
Look, where you at? Come and see me. Blind to the BS, no Stevie. You can catch me on your TV. I be everywhere that the heat be. Bitches thinking they dogs. Whole town they just barking. I'm a lit ass bitch. Want some fire? We can spark it. Want to sell? Come and try it. Don't want to shop? I just buy it. Mild sauce on my fries, bitch, and diamonds all on my eyelids. Niggas really ain't shit. Guess why they say I'm that bitch? I'm the bomb like this. Who else gon' do 'em like this? Shorty begging for a lick. Got the juice they wanna sip. I ain't worried about shit. Whole time they be pissed. Why you looking so pressed? Girl, you looking real stressed. Talking crazy at your neck. Gotta get your shit dead. Focus all on the check. Pay me money, your respect. How finagle, I finesse. Then we'll go right to the next. Yeah, I gotta keep it pushing. Your man's a bitch, he a pussy. Know what I do to those? I beat him up till it's good. Telling y'all don't push me. Been doing shows, come and grab me. I'ma bet you a little rookie. Got a team in for the cookie. Give a fuck about the fame. Ain't my fault, they know my name. I ain't changed, I'm still the same. My pockets just been on game. Gang.
They personally have their own crazy secret, so you know they get in there. Look, we just okay, look, 4G's on that. And he got some, he got the shit. Inside and outside, so he probably paying a lot more because he getting them custom. Because this is going and shit. That's what I'm saying. Niggas be paying, so where PJ go? Niggas be paying top dollar. To put personalized, so that's why I'm taking stuff seriously. You putting this money, you putting it to your best. Imagine everything like how you like personalizing your room. You want to be comfortable? You get it to exactly how you want it. Bitch, I remember them nights at the factory. I put in work with no faculty. I was not hop on
recipe. How can I worry about bitches when demons attacking me? Have me the green nigga masterpiece. Fuck around, turn all these niggas to casualties. Everywhere I go, you know not to mac on me. I keep a stack on me. Bitches
Y'all know what it is,
these
baby.
bitches
Yeah, we out
all
here.
that money, they plotted.
Loaded, bro. This is
I gave these bitches the sauce, load them up, how they flip them. AK gon' blast and leave that nigga bitch alone. I'm not no rockstar or Barbie, my nigga, this real shit. Ain't got no gimmick or image, I feel this. Thoughts getting darker, these niggas, they looking like Milton. Told you I'm pain, I don't wanna feel shit. I just hope that they feel this. Niggas don't want that real shit. Niggas gon' sell it, they go for a deal shit. These niggas virgins, they ain't never wet shit. Y'all chasing niggas, I'm chasing a check, bitch. And I ain't stressing your ex or your next bitch. My niggas toting them illegal weapons. Toast Smith and Wesson, send out these pussy ass niggas to heaven. Send out these pussy ass niggas to heaven. I wish I could see all my niggas in heaven.
Make it no more.
So,
Wish I could see my niggas in black, touching the souls like I'm handing out blessings.
Yeah, you had these reels on there, look, Forgiato. Another Forgiato.
I pull up in that Chevy up.
That is more than that because of the color and because
on the bitches with the hoe up. You can hate if you want, I'm like, so what? Scud never got the dope when it pull up.
Yeah,
All about the bread like it's cold cut. I'm a fiend for the cheese like
they got
no
sweet
what.
inside they real.
Ain't no rest in my circle. You know what I'm saying? Switch the life like a Urkel. No time for no fries.
Yeah, probably because of the color. Yeah. Yeah, but it's the same color. You only getting for it. You only eating this if you got the money for it.
Make sure I be bringing the pain. Meet you if you feel like a stain.
I gotta
Told y'all that I ain't no lame. But how the fuck did y'all think?
You gotta introduce her.
Hey,
Yeah, gotta have the car. You know what it is. She's never been to a car show, so you know what? This is definitely not how we wanted to turn it at first. But definitely happy that we got
we
her out
don't
there.
give a fuck, no. Hope you jigs, I got the cuff. Yo, we be jiggy like a puff. Woo. You niggas be acting real tough. Yeah, testing me, you test your luck. Yeah, fuck with me, you will get stuck. I'm the new leader, you ducks. Hey, I know niggas without fucks. Hey, y'all do your end for a buck. Hey, pull your car, what a fuck. Hey, turn your man to a club. Hey, I remember days, fresh lining in the waves. Stopped away before the days. You could sit back in days. When you heard them nines and you heard your grandma pray. Hope you pulled the trigger and you were not the prey. Hold on, text my phone if you're not trying to get a call. Two bitches fighting for the bone. They take a nap and then I'm gone.
Got some Santis on there.
Little bitch, you better watch your tongue. The scud is
That's
watching
SRT
like a
Hellcat
drum.
Gregory.
Heavenly, I sit upon the throne and I can see the brighter days. I done fallen down the road, I guess I
Learn
got
cars.
lost.
No cars.
Pick my
No
palette
how
up
to
and I would
do
glue the mix with all my
Not
fucking
even that.
days.
Just you gotta learn
But I
how
can
to.
sit up
You
on
gotta
my
learn
ass,
about
you know
things. Learn
I'm
how to
in
appreciate
it.
why they support. Why
And
they
fuck that shit. Put a leg on the map in the atlas. Shoot the beat like a bottle, yeah, I smacked it. At the bitch, but you want me to track this. Backtrack to the fact niggas ain't really with the rap back. So I guess I better back. Can't act like a nigga spitting crack just because he throwing cheese to the rap pack. About a snack cracker pop on the rap scene. Nigga hella crispy and this verse is my treat. Oh fuck, I knew I could've won.
Yes. Everybody pulling out.
So I did and I came back.
Nah, look like they going home.
Take a flight, came and laid in. And I bet these niggas with
That's where we going. We about to go see the crib. Police came and then it's like, and they came with the tow truck. So we about to, you know what it is, pull out, go back to the crib, head back to Chicago. And low key was a blank mission, but I enjoyed myself in the slightest. What about you? Yeah, this was fun. See, L'Oreal had fun. We got to touch the art. See, the thing about us outside of BJ is we actually like history and stuff, and like learning stuff about places and traveling. He liked to travel, but he came here for a car show. We came here for a good experience. So I'm glad that we was able to have a good experience. I had a good experience. Got to travel somewhere with my best friend, L'Oreal, until she had fun. So that's all that matters. BJ gonna be okay. We'll have more car shows. We'll have more trips. We'll have less hectic weekends. You know what it is. We're going on the up and up. It'll be alright. Catch y'all